Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody emailed me today and he had drawn two items and he wanted to save them separately. And he's already answered his own question and he's correct. He just put the second item on another page and he saved them. And I do videos for laser engraving and plasma cutting. And plasma cutting, you can't really have multiple pages. So if you've got two items on a page and you just want to save the butterfly, I do this all the time. Just hit delete and now go and save as butterfly. Okay, then just back up a step and delete the butterfly and save the hummingbird. That's the best way to do it for a plasma cutter, so you won't have multiple pages. For laser engraving, you can save on multiple pages, but sometimes you've got to really watch when you're engraving, because sometimes it'll try to print both pages. So you've really got to watch that. And what he did, he just made another page. So there's two ways to do that. Would be to go right here and make a second page, go back to the first page, click on your item and right click and basically cut, go to page 2 and paste. So now you have a butterfly on one page and a hummingbird on the other page. But what you can also do, saving that step, let's take page 2 and delete it. Now we've got one page again. You can take your hummingbird and go off your page. Okay, that's page 1. When you open a new page on page 2, anything off the page will be on all the pages. And then you just move your hummingbird. You don't have to put it back unless you're going to engrave it or cut it. So now we have a butterfly on one page, a hummingbird on the other page. And I do this all the time, and it's the luxury of, so let's make a copy of that, Control D, and let's move it off the page and go to page 2. The butterfly is always going to be out here. It's not in the page. So you could make a copy of that, and now you've got both items on both pages. If you wanted to insert them later, they will not print. Your laser will not cause you in trouble. Now, if you're a plasma cutter, this is a no-no, because when you save it as a DXF, it's really going to throw you a loop. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.